Welcome back to my channel, at Theatrically Jerry. My name's Jerry. Today we are going to be doing a unboxing video on VSHOW's S712, and that is a Kuan light. It's spelled K-U-A-N. As you can see here on the box, they spelled it wrong. It says Kuna, but on the website and the user manual, it's Kuan. So the only thing that stayed the same is the number, so S712. So this is an S712. It's a 450 watt LED engine, and this is a 3-in-1, so it's a beam, a spot, and a wash. Again, this comes from VSHOW. Thank you guys for hooking me up with this. I ordered through their website and it came in about 4 days, so shipping's quick. It comes in this nice box, has a nice image of a S712 on it. A lot of my moving heads just come in regular brown boxes, so I was glad to see that they have included some imaging as well as the name of the light fixture and the manufacturer. This is a very heavy box. Weighs about 50 pounds. It's not very big, the box, as you can see here, but it is a very heavy box because the light fixture is almost 50 pounds on its own. So let's go ahead and unbox this and see what's going on inside. Unboxing videos are not complete without your handy dandy scissors. So I'm going to go ahead and use these, and in order to get this light fixture out of the box, we're going to have to go right down this middle seam. There we go. And on the sides. There we go. And we'll put our scissors to the side so we don't cut ourselves. And here is the unboxing video on VSHOW's S712 Kuan. So as soon as you open the box, you're going to notice styrofoam, which is good because you want to protect your light fixture during shipping. The first thing you get is a user manual that's sitting on the top, and like I had said earlier, they spelled it wrong on the box. It's Kuan here, so S712 Kuan by VSHOW. This is their 450 watt beam spot wash intelligent moving head light fixture. The module has 20,000 hours of expected service life, so that's cool. We're going to go more into this light fixture on part 2 of this review. This is just the unboxing. So I'm going to set our user manual aside. Other things that are included are your safety cable. So thank you VSHOW for including that. Safety is always important. It's actually a very nice safety cable. They also include a PowerCon connector because this light fixture does feature PowerCon as its connector. The one thing I do like about VSHOW is that their connectors are always stamped with their name on it. So you'll know what PowerCon cable goes to what light fixture. So I do like that. You can see that there. Thank you guys for including the little details. Love it. This is a 20 amp PowerCon with a 15 amp plug. So it's a 15 amp light lamp fixture with a 20 amp PowerCon. Not sure how that works, but cool. I do believe the fuse is probably 20 amp too. You also get your 3-pin DMX 512 cable. This is also got VSHOW's logo and name on it. Love that. Attention to detail. These are just really short cables, so I wouldn't use them for just anything, but it's nice that they include them so you can get using them right away. The light fixtures, I think these are about 5 feet. And the styrofoam here has to be pulled up. So pull it up. There's a lot of it. That's also a good thing. Something that VSHOW does well is packages their light fixtures very well. The styrofoam is very thick here, so good job on packaging, VSHOW. It's always nice when your fixtures arrive and aren't broken by the shipping company. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and go back to our wide angle mode so we can see the entire scene of me pulling this 50-pound light fixture out of the box. It's going to be kind of comical because how they have it laid out, it's laying on its side, so it's going to be a little awkward, but we're going to pull it out of the box and see what it looks like. Alright, so the easiest way to get this light fixture out of the box without breaking it is to turn the entire box on its side so that you can just slide it out. So go ahead and grab one side of it and prop it upwards like that. Now it's pretty much already out of the box. Make sure to not grab the head of the light fixture, this part. Always carry it with your carrying handles so you don't damage anything. And the best part of every unboxing video is taking the plastic protective sheet off of the light fixture. So let's go ahead and pull that off. And there you have it. This is VSHOW's S712 Kuan. It's a 450 watt beam spot wash that they offer on their website. It's not their brightest one. They do have a 600 watt that I'm trying to get a hold of, VSHOW. If you guys want to send me one, I'll review it. But this is the model down from it. The other one is actually a framing light fixture. So it's a beam spot wash frame. This one's just a beam spot wash, but it doesn't make it any less impressive. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at this light fixture and see all of the features that it offers. That's going to be in part 2 of this review. This is just an unboxing, so I'm going to go over some basic information on this light fixture. As stated, it is a rather large fixture. It is 24.449 inches tall, so it is 2 feet tall. It is 10 inches deep, so this way. And it is 13.307 inches wide. So this is by no means a small light fixture. It's also not the biggest light fixture I've ever used, but I do consider it to be a large light fixture. As stated earlier, it is close to 50 pounds. It is at 45.195 pounds. So that's an exact measurement of the weight on this light fixture. Thank you guys for watching this quick unboxing video of VSHOW's S712 Kuan. This is part 1 of a 3-part series. Part 2, we're going to go over things such as the built-in macros, the effects, how many channels this fixture has, how loud it is when it's running, how bright the lights are, stuff like that. We're going to go over the gobos in it. It's going to be a in-depth review. So that's part 2. Part 3, I'm going to go over my final thoughts and whether I think this light fixture is worth the amount they're asking for. So, if that interests you, go ahead and subscribe to my channel at Theatrically Jerry. You can also leave a comment down below. I do read all comments and will respond to them. You can ask a question about this light fixture or anything in general. Also, go ahead and like this video. I appreciate your guys' support and thank you guys for watching.